Alrighty, so today is day one of the canopy build. The plan for today is to get the timber framing down, which is 35mm, then the ply down, which is 9mm, and then the plastic screw down as well, which is 4.5mm. This lip here sits at 50mm, so it should sit nice and flush, but I'm just going to have to see how it turns out after I screw it down and add a little bit of glue and stuff. So, alrighty, so we got two lengths of 5.4, 35, 70mm. I'll cut them into 17/15s, and that should fit perfectly along the canopy. Then it's a matter of gluing it down, chucking the plywood in, screw that down, and the plastic on top, and that should be the false floor done. Alrighty, so we'll just chuck this. What I have to do is cut up another 5 more, lay them out, good to go. So I have all my length cut. Now it's a matter of spacing them out. Now the consideration is obviously these locks up here, they need to be able to go down past the floor. So on the left and the right, I'm just going to make sure the locks have a clear freeway there. And when I put in the plywood and the plastic, we'll just cut out a little cert there, so then the locks can go in and out. And on the outside, I've just got some pencil and this marking where each slat is going to be. So once the plywood is on, we can get nice evenly spaced screws all the way down for every slat. These two spaces here, obviously for the locks can move freely, and then it's just spaced out 75, 75 and 85mm. So the timber will just sit on top of that, and then the plastic on top of that should come out looking pretty good. Alright, so now we just test fitted the plywood. Had to cut it in half to make sure it could actually fit in the canopy. Next thing we're going to do is cut out these little slots here for the locks, and then we can start gluing down the frame floor to the canopy, and then we'll put the plastic on top of this and get screwing. Both sections are cut out on either side. Everything's a bit bowed and weird at the moment because nothing's screwed down or glued. So once we get the liquid nails out, start gluing everything down, and once we put on the plastic, we're going to have to do the same thing. Going to have to cut out holes for that, and then that's it. It'll just be a matter of pre-drilling the holes down the slats and using the timber screws to screw it all down, and it should turn out pretty nice and flush hopefully. I'm just measuring everything up so I can get even amount of screws in nice straight lines and across as well. I'm still undecided if I glue the plastic on top or I just if I screw it in, so that's something that I'm thinking about. Yeah, get back to you. Oh no.